Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we learn fruits name with colors. Okay, let's start with these colors. Okay, our first fruit is strawberry. Okay, let's start. Green color. Red color. Our next fruit is pear. Green color. Light green color. Black color. Our next fruit is guava. Green color. Light green color. This is grapes. Green color. Purple color. Banana. Yellow color. Green color. Black color. This is cherry. Red color. Green color. This is apple. Red color. Brown color. Green color. This is orange. And this is orange color. Green color. Now let's use highlighters. Wow, it looks great. Now in next. Wow, nice. Next. Wow, it looks great. Strawberry, pear, guava, grapes, banana, cherry, apple, orange. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video.